How to change your age on TikTok? Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and tap on your profile that is on the bottom right corner. Then, you want to tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner and then tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, you want to tap on Privacy. Here you cannot see any option to change your age. So, what you need to do is, you want to exit TikTok and then you need to open TikTok again. Tap on your profile once again and then tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner again. Tap on Settings and Privacy. As you do that, you will enter this page where you want to scroll down to the bottom and then you need to tap on Report a Problem. Tap on Account and Profile. Then you need to scroll down and tap on Editing Profile. Then you need to tap on Others as there is no other options. Then you want to tap on Need More Help. After it is loaded, you need to type the following sentence as I'm typing here now. After everything is typed, you need to make sure that you have your ID card, but you do not have to provide it now. You have to provide it only after the TikTok tells you. Then you need to submit, and that is how you'll be able to change your TikTok age. So I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.